Oh god, I'm running out of money cause I'm dining out frequently.
Hey, Krish, what's going on?
I did not realize how much it was affecting my bills until now. I really want to follow my New Year's resolution. How are you managing to bring your home cooked food every day?
Hey, Krish, that's really very simple. I have Bexview, right? They deliver my home cooked food prepared by my mom at just rupees of 33 only.
Oh, that sounds great. This makes my life so easy.
What are you guys waiting for? Do subscribe now to Bexview.